Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to refill your stamina after it drains it on your favorite game Red Dead Redemption 2. So at first, all you have to do is just hold the tab button and then switch it to items pressing R. And right here at this section, and at this section are the foods or the drink or also the tobacco that you can chew or eat to refill your stamina. So just select any of those from here and here. Select it and release the tab button to use it. So guys, that's how you refill your stamina on Red Dead Redemption 2. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.